cutting electricity value. Added tax, VAT, will be benefited more by the rich and less by the poor. A poor with own meter with 100 pesos electricity bill will only save 12 pesos VAT, while the rich with 10,000 pesos electricity bill will save 1,200 pesos VAT. The poor in general who don't have own electric meters and are only using sub-meter pay-fix amount, so they will not gain in electricity VAT cut. I'm a UP economist, so expect that my thinking is aligned with my professors who crafted the VAT policy on electricity. Nevertheless, I have a counter-proposal below. Let's create more jobs by eradicating people's hesitation in starting up businesses, and so people can afford acts of government. My request is 5 years, startup tax exemption for all new businesses, and I think Senator Chiz recently filed a tax exemption bill for 3 years startups, so we already have an icebreaker. My explanation below. For DOF, BIR, PESA, Bangko Sentral, Palace, business federations, professional organizations. Philippine tax policy at present is unfair. Mga multimillionaire na foreign corporations, kapag mag-startup locators sa Philippine Economic Zones, PESA, meron silang tax exemption for 5 years. Subalit ang pobreng Pinoy, mag-startup ng maliit na business, bubuwisan agad start day 1. Yun fair, di ba? Anti-Filipino, anti-poor policy yung tax exemption kapag sa PESA lang binibigyan ng exemption. May I suggest an urgent legislative agenda para maging fair ang tax laws natin? Dapat may bagong batas na lahat na startup business ay exempt from tax sa first 5 years of operation, especially the small Filipino enterprises such as PRC licensed professionals starting up as practitioners, new jeepney operators, new schools, new farms, new retail outlets, new online shops, new recycling facilities, new e-commerce, etc. Repeal also the CPD law because it only forced patronage the PRC registered professionals. Wala nang kita, minamandatory pa ang expensive and unessential trainings. Nakakasikip lang sa pag-renew ng PRC license. Gusto lang po natin pumarehas, hindi manglamang. We just want fairness, not favor. Dapat 5 years tax-free for all startups. Another thing for the senators, please practice a 70-30 income expense ratio. If you author 10 legislative bills, please try your best that 7 of them create jobs and new industries in the private sector.